Today we're going to play that word search journey game, level 112 through 118. How did I do? Let's load that little guy. See how we can do here. There it is. Turn it up so we can hear it. Oh, a gift, yeah. Which one? The green. 25 coins. Might need those. That's not a good one. Level 112, here we go. This is on a desk. Okay. Pen. I like that they give you the subject of the stuff too. Phone, there we go. A lot of times you can find stuff sticking out there staring at you. Just mark it, you don't have to go in order. Diagonal, look at there. Left to right, right to left, up to down, down to up, diagonal. Lamp, right. Two more. Book, right there. Tape, right there. I like the colors they give you there. That was 112. 113. Batman. Yeah. Signal. Bat. How about Joker here? Where's Joker? Right there. Gotham, that's the city he's in right there. We got it. Mobile. Well, now he don't have a mobile phone, but I was big Batman in the comic books, Batman and Superman, when I was a kid. Alfred the Butler, yeah. Robin, Cave, Vigilante. There's Alfred the Butler, got him. Robin, his sidekick, right there. Vigilante. Looks like a whole line of stuff here, isn't it? Cave. Vigilante right there. Took up that whole column. Got it. Alright. That's 113. Y'all playing this game? It's free. Go check it out. Word Search Journey. It's in the Play Store. Leave a comment. Let me know what your level you're on. Alcoholic beverages. Level 114. Wine, rum, wine right there. Rum. Brandy. How about gin? Oh, I didn't get the Y in there on brandy, did I? You don't get all the letters in, it won't take it. Gin. Cider. Vodka. Russian drink. All right. Where's bourbon? Right there. Took me a little bit to find that, and sometimes it does that. Beer, yeah. Last one, got it. That's 114. 115's up next. This one is habitats. Now you don't have to go in order, you know. You see a word there, just mark it. Alright, there's fin, yeah. River, bog, marsh. Ooh, that fourth word there is, got letters missing. You gotta find it without those letters. You get points for that though. Bog. Marsh. Here it is. Okay, what is this? OA. There it is, Oasis. Fills those letters in for you when you get them. Gives you points too. C blank VE. I bet that's Cove. COVE. Alright. Where is it? There it is. It's cave, not cove. Cave. Swamp. Dune. How about pond? There it is, pond. Arctic. Talking about the North Pole, maybe? Arctic. Lake right there on the bottom. Ocean. Alright, I bet that's reef. I bet that missing letter's a E. Right there it is. Got it. Points too. That was 115. Excuse me. Allergies acting up here. 116, furniture. Desk, alright. See, you don't have to stay in order. There's rack. Bunk. How about shelf? I know, I thought that was it, but it's not. Started off with SH, but didn't have the right letters. Bed. Bench. Sofa. Chair. It's a common chair. There it is. Got it. All right. That's 116. Yeah, we're going to 117. What is this? Shoes. A lot of women collect shoes. Of course, I guess some men collect tennis shoes too. Sandal. Wedge. Clog. Oops, I thought it was CLO, but didn't need the G. Heel. Sneaker. That's your tennis shoes. Mule. Loafer, boot, and slide. Loafer right there. Boot. One more. There it is. Slide. That's 117. We're going to do one more. Do 118. Sea creatures. This is a lot more words and smaller letters. Makes it a little harder to find. Alright. Start off, what do we got? Scad, lobster, eel. Whoa, a lot more letters and they're smaller. It makes it a little harder to find. Now remember, you got to help down there if you need it. There's... No. No, I didn't get the S in there. Got to get all the letters. Lobster. How about eel right there? Whale. Whale. Sometimes I'll move on to the next one and come back to one if I can't find it. There's whale. Clam, coral, starfish. Clam right there. Coral, starfish, turtle, and oyster. Go check out my playlist called Word Search Games. A lot more up there. Alright, what are we looking for here? There it is, turtle. Oyster. And a lot more of these up there under the playlist called Word Search Games. More up there and more coming. Some you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment. If I haven't played it yet, I'll check it out. If you have a favorite game, let me know. Let me know what level you're on in this one. We're just finishing 118 here. Dolphin and shark. Dolphin right there. Shark. Last one right there. Alright, well that was the last one. I think we'll get back to the phone. Look at here, we got a gift. More coins, yes sir. You need that stuff when you go for help sometimes. New chapter unlocked, okay. I think we're going to call it a day here. Let's get back to the phone. We'll come back and play some more later. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.